Let's be real, long-haul flights in economy can feel like torture. But imagine being able to fly those 10, 12, or even 15 hours and actually feel good when you land. No cramped legs, no headaches, just smooth sailing through the skies. Stick around because in the next few minutes, we'll share insider hacks that will help you turn your long economy flight from a nightmare into a breeze. And hey, if you want to master travel like a pro, hit that subscribe button and join the Airside Tips family, your go-to place for all things travel smart. 1. Preparing your body before the flight. How you treat your body before the flight sets the tone for your entire journey. Prioritize getting good sleep the night before, as this helps keep your energy up during the flight and after you land. Avoid heavy meals and excessive alcohol the day before traveling, because both can disrupt your sleep and cause dehydration. Hydrate well in the hours leading up to your flight to prepare your body for the dry airplane cabin air. It's also beneficial to incorporate light exercise or stretching before heading to the airport. This wakes up your muscles and improves circulation, reducing the chances of stiffness and swelling during the flight. Consider doing some gentle yoga, walking, or simple stretches focused on your legs and back. 2. Choosing the right gear and packing smart. What you wear and bring on board significantly impacts your comfort. Dress in loose, breathable layers so you can adjust to changing cabin pressures. Compression socks are an underrated essential that help reduce leg swelling and improve circulation on long flights. Pack a small toiletry kit with moisturizer, lip balm, and facial mist to combat dry cabin air and keep your skin fresh. Don't forget a good neck pillow and eye mask to help with rest. Also, make sure your electronic devices are fully charged and download entertainment before you leave. Bringing your own snacks can keep hunger at bay when airline food falls short or arrives late. A refillable water bottle is also crucial. Empty it before security and refill once you're airside to stay hydrated throughout the flight. 3. Smart seat selection and boarding tips. Choosing the right seat can make a huge difference in your flying experience. Aisle seats are great if you want easy access to the bathroom and the ability to move around without disturbing neighbors. Window seats give you a wall to lean on and tend to have fewer disturbances, making them better for sleeping. Use tools like Seat Guru to find seats with extra legroom or avoid seats near noisy areas like bathrooms or galleys. Boarding early allows you to secure overhead bin space near your seat and reduces the stress of stowing your carry-on. Once seated, organize your space by keeping essentials close and tucking bulkier items under the seat in front of you to maximize legroom. Preparing to make yourself comfortable right away helps set a positive tone for the hours ahead. 4. Movement and circulation during the flight. Staying still for hours is the biggest enemy of comfort on long flights. It's important to make it a habit to stand up and walk whenever possible, ideally at least once every hour. Walking the aisle improves circulation, helps reduce swelling, and lowers the risk of deep vein thrombosis. When you can't get up, small movements in your seat like rotating your ankles, flexing and extending your feet, or doing gentle leg lifts can make a big difference. Compression socks work hand in hand with these movements to keep blood flowing properly. Don't forget to stretch your neck, shoulders, and back occasionally to ease tension from sitting. Simple neck rolls or shoulder shrugs can help reduce stiffness and discomfort. 5. Sleep and hydration. Getting quality rest on a long flight is essential for arriving refreshed. Use an eye mask and neck pillow to block out distractions and support your head and neck. If you can, try to align your sleep with your destination's time zone to minimize jet lag. Avoid caffeine and alcohol several hours before you plan to sleep, as both can interfere with rest and dehydrate you. Staying hydrated throughout the flight is key. Carry a refillable water bottle and take sips regularly. Avoid salty or heavy foods that cause bloating and discomfort. Keeping your body hydrated also helps your skin and overall well-being during the flight. If you find it hard to sleep, try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation apps to help calm your mind. 6. Mental well-being and entertainment. Long flights challenge your mind as much as your body. Keeping your mind engaged can make time fly by. Load your devices with movies, TV shows, music, or audiobooks that you enjoy. Meditation apps or breathing exercises are powerful tools to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation during the flight. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Bringing a journal or puzzle book offers a great distraction from boredom and helps keep you productive or mindful. Planning your entertainment ahead of time and maintaining a positive mindset can greatly enhance your in-flight experience. 7. Arrival and recovery. Your journey doesn't end when the plane lands. Your body needs care to recover properly. Once you deplane, take time to stretch and move around to help your circulation recover from hours of sitting. Walking through the airport instead of rushing or sitting immediately also aids this process. Eating a balanced meal before leaving the airport replenishes energy and helps your body adjust. Exposure to natural light after arrival is one of the best ways to reset your internal clock and reduce jet lag. Spend time outside or near windows to soak up sunlight if possible. These recovery steps will help you start your trip feeling refreshed rather than exhausted. So there you have it, your ultimate survival kit for flying long hours in economy without losing your mind or your comfort. If these tips helped you, or if you have your own secret weapon for long flights, share it in the comments because we love hearing from fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to Airside Tips, where smart travelers come to unlock the secrets of the skies. Tap that bell icon too so you never miss a game-changing tip. Fly safe!